Today in this lecture we are going to discuss what is the difference between simple interest and compound interest. Suppose you have deposited 10,000 in a bank in the start of the year. So after 1 year you will get some profit. That profit is called interest, and the amount of interest is 10% of your principal amount. Therefore, the 10% of this 10,000 is 1,000. You will get 1,000 after 1 year. Okay, so after second year, you will get again 10,000 of 10,000, which is 10% of 10,000, which is again 1,000. And after second year, again 10% of 10,000 is 1,000. Therefore, in simple interest case, you get always same amount of interest every year. Here in this example, you will get 1,000 every year. Your profit will remain constant year after year. Therefore, your total simple interest after 5 years will be 5,000. But in compound interest, this is the calculation of compound interest. In compound interest, suppose you deposit in a bank $10,000. After 1 year, you will get some profit, that is interest. And that interest is 10% of this 10,000. And 10% of 10,000 is 1,000. Therefore, you will get $1,000 profit after 1 year. In compound interest case, this 1,000 will be added to your principal amount in the beginning of the time. Now your new principal will become 11,000. And after second year, you will get 10% of this 11,000, not the 10,000. So therefore, your profit or interest will be 10% of 11,000 is 1,100. It is higher than the profit which you get the previous year, that was 1,000. So now here your new profit will be added to your previous principal amount 11,000, and your new principal amount will become 12,100. And after second year, you will get 10% of this 12,100, and that is 1,210. Look again, your interest after second year is higher than the interest in the first year and the previous 2 years. Now again, this interest will be added to the principal amount, is 12,100, and your new principal will become $13,310. So in this way, in compound interest, you can see that your principal amount keep on increasing, but in your simple interest, principal amount remains same. As principal amount remains same, therefore the amount of interest remain constant throughout the time, every time period. But in compound interest, every time you get profit, that profit is added to your principal amount, and in this way your principal amount keep on increasing, and hence your profit, that is interest, is also keep on increasing. So therefore, after 5 years, the total compound interest is $6,105.1, whereas the total interest in simple interest case was 5,000. Therefore, you can see that the compound interest, you get your profit keep on increasing every year. But in simple interest, it remains same every year because the principal amount remain constant. But in compound interest, the interest keep on increasing because